Meanwhile, we're looking at a BJP youth wing leader. Pamela Goswami has now been arrested for carrying 100 grams of cocaine. She was taken into custody on Friday for possessing contrabands worth lakhs of rupees that was found in her purse and under her car seat. In fact, her friend Prabir Day was also arrested. According to police sources, Pamela and Prabir have been involved in drug trafficking for quite a while now. They were arrested after receiving information from credible sources. Police also revealed now that Pamela would often stop at a particular spot, and after observing her movements for some time, the police have now finally arrested her. Meanwhile, after being presented in court, Pamela has now cried conspiracy. She in fact demanded the arrest of BJP leader Rakesh Singh, who recently joined in the BJP. Opposition Congress launches an all-out attack on BJP and central agencies. Congress leader Shama Mohammed has asked for the BJP to take action, saying that BJP unleashed NCB after Riya Chakravarti for alleged smoking of a small quantity of marijuana. Here she says that the entire country is now waiting for the NCB to crack down on this BJP neta.
अच्छा आपने राकेश सिंह नामটা কেন নিয়েছিলেন ছেলেটাকে রাকেশ সিং পাঠিয়েছিল অনেক সূত্র থেকে খবর ছিল মন্ত্রী আমি থেকে আমার খবর ছিল প্রডিউস করলাম যে রাকেশ সিং ওই ছেলেটাকে পাঠিয়েছিল ইচ্ছা করে উনি পার্সোনাল গ্রান্টের জন্য পাঠিয়েছিল এটাতে কোনো সংকট।
देखिए, आरोप लगाना बहुत सहज होता है, लेकिन आरोप प्रमाण करना बहुत मुश्किल है। तो ये क्यों लगाया है, हमसे बेहतर वो बताएंगी। मेरा सफाई में इतना ही कहना है कि ये निराधार आरोप है और एक बदनाम करने का साजिश है। और टीएमसी, अभिषेक बनर्जी, ममता बनर्जी और कलकत्ता पुलिस कहीं इस चीज़ को बहुत बड़ा बना के और आप इसको इंक्वायरी के नाम पर इतना गंदा राजनीति करिएगा, तो इस राजनीति का मुकाबला के लिए हम तैयार हैं, पीछे नहीं हैं। और कभी भी ज़रूरत लगेगा, कभी भी लगे कलकत्ता पुलिस को बुलाने का, तो हम जा सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं।
जो हो रहा है इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? आपकी बेटी के खिलाफ जो एलिगेशंस है उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ওকে ফাঁসানো হয়েছে, বারবার এক কথাই বলছি, ওকে ফাঁসানো হয়েছে।
আপনি এটা কেন মনে করেন যে ফাঁসানো হয়েছে?
আমার মেয়ে অনেক ভালো, আমি তো মা, আমি তো ভালো বুঝবো।
We have been denied to meet Ms. Goswami, so now it is been politicalized.
So what do you say about the fact you've not been allowed to meet her? And from the party side, what do you have to say about these allegations that have been made?
I cannot say anything in this regard as I have not been allowed to meet with her. I need to take her instruction. I know not whether she has been pressurized or tortured or in the police custody to malign someone else. And anything is possible under this government, under this present ruling party.
So political conspiracy, like you're saying?
Even a child in Bengal can understand that this is a political conspiracy.
Let me cut across to Prema Rajaram reporting from Kolkata. Prema, you just spoke to the lawyer. He also claims political conspiracy. He says he hasn't been able to have a word with her, but here is 100 grams of cocaine. It's quite a quantity, and it was placed in her car as well as in her purse. Now, she claims political conspiracy and infighting within the BJP itself, blaming a BJP leader in the party. Take us through the details of this case.
Well, Nabila, after the court heard the case, they reserved the order, so there will be another court hearing, but the date has not yet been declared. What the lawyer says is that Pamela mentioned she was sitting in the front seat. However, the police say that she was sitting in the back seat. So he cries conspiracy, saying there's a discrepancy. The second fact that he mentions is that the case diary, the entry to of the case was at 11:30 p.m. on February 19th, but she was arrested much earlier at 5:15 p.m. on February 19th. So he says, how can it be that she was arrested much before there was the case that was filed against her? That's another discrepancy. The third discrepancy that he says is that after an in-person search by the police, the cocaine was not found on her. It was not in her pocket or anywhere with her, but it was inside the car. So he says that anyone anyone could have carried those 2 pouches of cocaine and planted it in her car. So these are the 3 facts that the lawyer has brought up, but says that as far as the allegations are concerned against a BJP leader, this is something he cannot really speak about because he's not been allowed to meet Pamela as yet. But earlier when he spoke to us, he did mention that it could be a conspiracy to malign her. Back to you, Nabila.
Thank you very much, Prema, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.